Safe Exit Alert. With safety as our primary concern, we have been looking for a better way to prevent accidents when passengers exit from the rear passenger doors. We wanted to design a feature that would prevent the car door opening when a car approaching from the rear is detected. Using the rear radar sensor was an option, but there was a risk that in an emergency situation, your escape from the car could be hampered. We created a solution by bringing together two features, the rear radar sensor and the electronic child lock. Anti-release and warning functions have been incorporated into the electronic child lock, which activates when a car is approaching from the rear. The rear radar remains active for 10 minutes, even after the Santa Fe is turned off, to further ensure the safety of the car's occupants. The Safe Exit Alert is another world first from Hyundai, ensuring the best protection possible. Smart engineering, Hyundai. Rear Occupant Alert. Leaving a child or pet alone in the back of the car, even for a short time, can have serious consequences. We have been looking for a way that would provide optimum protection for a child or pet in the rear seat. Hyundai's engineers have developed an ultrasonic sensor that detects motion in the rear seats. With the help of their own children, the engineers tried various prototypes to improve the system's effectiveness in alerting the driver. To prevent unnecessary distractions for the driver, this system is only activated when the rear door is accessed. And the ultrasonic sensor remains active for 24 hours, even after the vehicle's engine has been turned off. As you open the driver's door, an alert will appear on the instrument cluster. You will also be alerted if you are no longer in the car. The horn will be activated, and a text message will be sent to your mobile phone. Through our ongoing commitment to passenger safety, Hyundai has developed the world's first rear seat occupation alert with ultrasonic sensors to provide the best possible protection for all occupants. Smart engineering, Hyundai. Improve driver visibility. Visibility is critical for the safety of the driver and passengers. Visibility is particularly key when turning left or changing to the right lane. Hyundai engineers studied and refined the design through numerous 3D simulations to maximize visibility for the driver, ensuring that even small children can be seen at left turns and difficult junctions. Changes to the design, the narrower A-pillar, and the flag-style mirrors, mounted lower with fixed glass, all ensure that you will notice any children crossing the road. The wider quarter glass gives you a better breadth of vision when changing lanes. Improve visibility for drivers. Smart engineering, Hyundai. Head-up display. The Santa Fe's rounded hood line can distort the head-up display, even though the head-up display is projecting properly. To solve this problem, Hyundai has provided multiple options to tilt and turn the display to enable you to see it clearly. The wide range of information available through the head-up display can be overwhelming and distracting for some customers. In the new Santa Fe, you are in control of what appears on the display. Select and deselect information according to your preference. The display, in an improvement over previous versions, adapts to ambient light conditions, maintaining optimal visibility at all times. Using inputs from the inbuilt solar radiation sensor, Hyundai's head-up display adjusts the brightness in real time to keep the display clear and easy to read. With too much or too little light making the display difficult to read, This feature ensures the driver can see it clearly whenever it's needed. Fully personalized head-up display. Smart engineering. Hyundai. Rain sensing wiper. The rain sensing wipers enable you to focus on driving in difficult conditions rather than on the wiper controls. Hyundai pays attention not only to moving forward, but also to backing up. The rain sensing wipers are also on the rear window, automatically activated in the rain when you are reversing. The benefits of hidden wipers with the cleaner look and improved aerodynamics can also be inconvenient for the driver when they want to replace the wiper blades, as the hood has to be lifted first. Hyundai has added a service position mode to enable easy access for customers replacing the wiper blades themselves. Hidden rain sensing wipers, more convenient all around. Smart engineering. Hyundai. Integrated climate control. How many times have you wished for an intelligent car that knows exactly how to adjust the temperature to suit your preferences? The new Santa Fe is that intelligent car, equipped with an integrated climate control system using an array of sensors. Internal and external temperature sensors, plus a solar radiation sensor. Once the engine is turned on, the climate control system will sense the conditions inside and outside the car and adjust the heating, air conditioning, heat or ventilation in the seats to your preset. This is the world's first sensor-based integrated climate control system from Hyundai. All you need to do is set the perfect temperature for you. Smart engineering. Hyundai. Smart seat buttons. Have you ever folded the second row seat forward and struggled to either get into the third row seat or to take your luggage out via the passenger door? Another neat solution from Hyundai. A one-touch walk-in button that makes folding and sliding the seat forward easy, even for seniors and young children. How frustrating is it trying to drop the second row seats to make more space when you're in the middle of loading luggage? You have to stop what you're doing, walk around to the passenger side and do it from there. Buttons cleverly placed on the side of the cargo space allow you to maneuver the second row seat quickly and easily. Another handy solution from Hyundai designed to make your life easier. A passenger in the back needs some more legroom. You wrestle with the lever and try to control the slide. Alternatively, Hyundai has designed a front passenger seat walk-in button that adjusts the position of the front passenger seat effortlessly. No more struggling with the manual seat controls. Just press the buttons located just where you need them, and the Santa Fe does the rest. Smart engineering. Hyundai. Dual-speed tailgate. The tailgate of the previous generation Santa Fe took 8.5 seconds to open or close. Far too slow for many customers. In another world first from Hyundai, the Santa Fe has a tailgate that operates at 2 speeds, giving you greater control and flexibility. Choose between the greater convenience at the 4.5 second speed or the 6 second speed if safety is your primary concern. The 1.5 seconds can make a difference. Try both and make your choice. Smart engineering. Hyundai. storage tray for the front passenger. The front passenger seat has not typically offered much in the way of storage space. This lack of storage space causes more than a few irritations. When you charge your phone, when you drop your wallet, or you've left things behind in the door pocket. Hyundai has a neat solution to this problem: a new storage tray above the glove box. Store and charge your phone without cables getting in the way, and easy to reach when you need to pick up a call. Stow your wallet, change, or any of those items that seem to annoyingly end up under your seat or falling out of your pocket. Keep your hands free and enjoy your ride. Smart engineering, Hyundai. Second row legroom. Legroom in the second row, according to SAE standards, is measured by placing feet in 305mm shoes on the floor under the front seat. Second row passengers suffer generally from a lack of legroom, but it is made worse when a tall front seat passenger lowers their seat and slides it back. Increasing the footroom in the second row improves legroom and overall comfort for passengers. Hyundai has lowered the second row seat floor by 20mm to achieve more generous footroom, improving legroom and overall passenger comfort. Whether you are in the first or second row, you can now stretch your legs and sit comfortably in the Santa Fe. Smart engineering, Hyundai. Cargo space. Loading big boxes into the previous generation Santa Fe proved awkward. The problem has been solved in the new Santa Fe. The corners of the tailgate opening have been flattened out while still preserving the sleek rear design. The new Santa Fe gives you more cargo space and makes it easier to load those bulkier items. Smart engineering, Hyundai.